In today's video, I'm going to teach you the straightforward and easiest way to recover deleted branches in Azure DevOps. Now, there might be times when you accidentally delete a branch that you still need or should not have removed. Luckily, Azure DevOps provides a method for restoring these branches, and I'll guide you step by step through this process using the Azure DevOps web portal. First and foremost, this method is most effective if you've just recently deleted the branch and you remember the exact name of the branch. If those conditions are in place, you should be able to recover it through the user interface without any hassle. So, let's dive right into it. Start by opening your Azure DevOps and navigating to Repos. Once you are there, look for the Branches section. This is where all your branch management takes place. Now, you'll need to use the search bar specifically and carefully enter the exact name of the deleted branch you want to restore. This part is crucial because the search won't recognize partial names or use wildcards, so make sure you know the exactly correct branch name. If the branch was recently deleted and catches a match with what you've entered, it should appear in the results. Look for the branch that is marked as deleted. This marking is important as it assures you that this is indeed the branch you are aiming to recover. Now, once you have identified the branch, look for the More Options icon, which usually appears as 3 dots. Click on it, and then select the option labeled Restore Branch, or something equivalent that matches your Azure DevOps environment's display. This action will restore the branch just as it was before the deletion, taking it back to the specific commit it pointed to last. It's important to note, however, when you restore a branch like this, you should be aware that any branch policies or permissions that were applied previously will not automatically be reinstated. You may need to go back in and reapply those settings manually if they are necessary for your workflow or project governance. This method is an excellent choice for quick recovery, particularly effective when the branch was very recently deleted and you can recall its name precisely. It saves you from some potential headaches of branch recovery so long as you have quick action and accurate details. And there you have it, a simple process to restore deleted branches in Azure DevOps. Remember to act swiftly and keep track of your branch names to utilize this process most effectively. I hope you found this instructional helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching.